1969 Buick Electra convertible. She one bad ride, fellas. Check it out. She's got a Buick 430 4-barrel in it. This is a high horsepower motor rated at 360 horsepower and 475 foot-pounds of torque. Just one bad ride, fellas. Let's check out the interior. It's a driver, fellas. But somebody did take good care of it, but got a rip in the seat. She's a nice driver, fellas. This how you want them. Let's check out that dash. Beautiful, fellas. No cracks, tears, stains. A little bit of cracking on the molding right here, but not the dash. She's in perfect shape. Got that Buick 430, high compression engine. You can't go wrong with this one, fellas. Somebody took well care of it, fellas. Everything is stock. That's how you want it, fellas. I have all the contact information in the description below, fellas. Here at Rolling Museums, your dream car is one call away, fellas. You don't want to miss out on this one, fellas. She's beautiful. Let's start her up. Fire it right up. She runs good, fellas. Running like a sewing machine, fellas. Don't miss out. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all tune in next time with Rolling Museums. Have a great day, fellas.